Manila Baywalk Dolomite Beach. This was constructed during the administration of President Rodrigo Roa Duterte as part of the Manila Bay Rehabilitation Program in consonance with the Mandamus Order of Supreme Court. The Dolomite Beach is a 500-meter by 60-meter structure built with geoengineering interventions. It aims to clean and rehabilitate this once trash-laden and polluted portion of Manila Baywalk into a vibrant and clean coastal environment where Filipinos can enjoy the sea breeze, the white sand, and the famous Manila Bay sunset. The construction of the Dolomite Beach was started in 2019 during the time of Secretary Roy A. C. Matter and completed in May 2022 during the helm of Acting Secretary Jim O. Sampolna of the Department of Environment and Natural Resources in partnership with the Department of Public Works and Highways of this June 12, 2022. Again, thank you. This is our update today. Don't forget to follow, like, and share our video. Again, this is Kuya Novo page, our YouTube channel, Kuya Novo. Until next time, have a good day.